Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toidel online class. We are still under the topic set theory, under set theory. But today we want to look at set builders notation. That is what we understand by set builder notations. Sets of values can be written in set builder notation. E.g., look at this set A. This is set A. It's defined as, when you open the curly bracket, this starts from minus infinity, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it stops at 3. So the way we have this set A here, this set can be rewritten as the A that we have here. What do? We are going to define X. This is X. In this case now, because we have positive whole number, negative whole number, and 0, it simply means that this set is a set of integers. This set of integers. So in this case now, X belongs to an integer. Then how do we define X? X represents each of the members of this set. X, this column simply means such that S is less than 4. Let's look at what we have on the board. This starts from minus infinity. It could be -1 billion, -1 million, -1,000, -100, ... simply means and so on. It starts from minus infinity, but it stops at 3. So we can rewrite this set A as what we have there. So we define it. We define each element of that set as X, such that this column simply means such that X is less than 4. Of course, the last number here is 3, which is less than 4. So we stopped at 3. So we now say A is equal to X, such that X is less than 4, where X belongs to an integer. Once we know that X is a set of an integer, it comprises of negative whole numbers, positive, and 0. And that's how to rewrite it as set builder notation. So what if you are given A in this form? You should be able to write it back in this form. And that's what we are trying to say under set builder notation. So let's consider this example. This example 1. Example. We are to list the element of set B. What is set B? Set B starts from 9, 10, 11, up to infinity. So if you want to write this in form of as set builder notation, of course, this is what we are going to do. We are going to say B is equal to, we are going to refer to each element of each member or element of that set as X, such that in this case now, how do we rewrite it? The first element there is 9. The first element is 9. So what do we do here? What do we do when the first element is 9? We are going to have it to be what? X, such that S is greater than 8, because the net number is 9. Such that S is greater than 8. S is greater than 8. That's what we are going to have. Then X can belong to an integer. It can belong to an integer or a natural number, because we don't know where S starts from. If S starts from 1, if the starting point here is from 1, S will be set of natural numbers. But if the first value here comprises of either 0 or negative values, then it will be an integer. So we can actually write this as this, or when if you are given this, you should be able to write it back as this. And that is the idea, the whole idea about set builders notation. That is what I want us to know. We should know that if you are given a set in a particular form, you should be able to write it in another form. Thank you.